At Duckworth, every boat is designed using cutting-edge 3D modeling programs. Your order is entered into the system and programmed to our 30-foot router table. The manufacture process begins with massive sheets of aluminum. Sheets are offloaded in bundles with a crane and moved individually to the router table with a vacuum lift. All parts are cut with precision, put into a kit and labeled with a barcode so they can be identified throughout the build process. The precise forming begins with our 28-foot, 1,000-ton press brake. Our press brake is used to form sides and bottoms to windshields, dashes, and every aluminum part of your boat. Once the forming is complete, parts are separated into kits and head to the fab cells, where substructures and components can be welded in preparation for the jig. Renaissance Marine runs 7 manufacturing lines, each line specific to the models we offer. As our team moves parts from the fab cells to the jig, our welders start to assemble your boat. Our process includes several hundred feet of both TIG and MIG welding. We use a full-length box runner system, keeping our bottoms true and strong. The box runners are tied together every 16 inches for strength. Our bows are also constructed with the same pre-formed box-style bracing for maximum strength and durability. We use an exclusive solid extruded chine to tie the sides and bottom together and double weld the inside from bow to stern. Our true reverse chine is built into the bottom for superior performance on the water and uses the energy of the spray to create lift. More lift equals less drag, and less drag equals better fuel efficiency. The reverse chine also allows our boats to make incredibly tight turns without the lean of the conventional V-bottom. Our bottom design creates the best ride on the water. We use several different extrusions throughout our build process. Once the hull is constructed, we flip the boat over using high-tech posi turn equipment to ensure safety for the team and to prevent damage to the boat. After we finish welding the bottom, we flip the boat upright and continue with our finish weld process, which includes installation of the windshield framing, dash, rails, and tops. Before the welding stage is complete, we submerge the boat in our in-house water tank and inspect it to test for any sign of water and ensure a dry hull. Next, we enter the prep and paint process. Every boat goes through an extensive cleaning before it's masked and prepared for paint. Once it's masked off, your boat is ready for our 40-foot downdraft paint booth to get the ultimate finish. After the paint dries sufficiently, we unmask it and the finish work begins by installing carpet and underfloor pre-rigging. After custom fitting the floors, they're covered with marine-grade floor vinyl and installed. While our experts begin work on installing the electrical, steering, and other components, our upholstery department specialists begin fabricating the heavy-duty canvas top. Convertible tops are built with aluminum square tubing, stainless steel fittings, and machined top bow ends. All hardtop models get custom sliding windows. As your boat approaches completion, our team installs the interior and the power plant. Once the rigging, trim work, and upholstery are all complete, the boat is inspected with an extensive quality control checkoff. When everything passes inspection, we take your boat down to the Great Snake River for a final point-by-point inspection. With the quality of your boat verified, our in-house detail crew get your boat cleaned, polished, and ready to ship.